We are now about to create our master files, and we're going to start out with the vendor master file. So from the Transactions tab, I select Vendors, and then I'm going to go to a vendor that we've currently have set up already, a True Equipment. Otherwise, we would just click Add Vendors. So here's our True Equipment, and I'm going to go ahead and click Edit. And that's going to let us get into the screen for the details. As you can see, I have my vendor's name, my account number on their book, so when I send my checks in, they're going to see who the proper customer of theirs were, the address of corporate, what are my terms with True, what is my credit limit, do I belong to a buyer group where I'll be keeping track of the money that I send to True or to the buyer group. Here are my phone numbers, my email address for corporate, and my address for the website for True. Usually I do not put this in vendor SKU equals our SKU because in most cases we may have our own SKU numbers that are different from the vendors. How many days are we going to take to return to stock? They're going to give us 60 days to return to stock. Default shipping, and we're not going to use the auto SKU numbers. Looking at contacts, we see we've got all the contacts for parts department, retail, display, technical support, the email addresses, and the phone numbers. Any additional people that we want to add at True can be added here at this point. Just click Add and put in the information. And when it comes time for remitting, we could say, if, for example, if there's a lockbox for True, we can create an address for the lockbox and select Remit. If we have a location that we're supposed to send our returns to, we can put that in here and select Return Material Authorization. If we have a certain location where we send our orders to, we would click Orders and put that information in. Notes gives us a chance to add certain notes that we want to keep track of conversations we've had with True warranty people or their support or their salespeople, and that information will be kept here. Documents, we can store for the vendor their general warranty system. So if I look at the warranty and I say, here's my warranty statement, that can be printed out. And my repair guide and any kind of videos or documents that I want to add into this location for our people at the company to check things out. Vendor incentives, this is highly security coded, and this is where we set up what our incentive program is with True and the different levels, and we have reports that will tell you where you stand at any time and also how much more you have to go to get to the next level and what the dollar amount is. So that's how we set up our vendors and what vendor information is available. Thank you.